Hello, in this video I want to invite you to our very first workshop. So at newone.com we are really committed to building your career, to growing together, and I believe workshops are a great way to do this. It's a couple of hours we're going to spend online working on a specific topic, so a very focused practice. The first one will be machine learning on AWS right next week on June 10, 2026, 7 p.m. I hope that's convenient for everybody. If not, please let us know. And we're going to have other workshops in the future, such as project kickstarting, architecting, personal development, communication. Let us know also what you would like to practice with us. So do register, and when you click the registration button, you're going to be directed to the workshop page. I hope the pricing is okay for everybody, and I'm going to share discount codes. So do follow us on YouTube, follow us on LinkedIn, and you're going to probably find a nice incentive for you to join. When you click the register now, the product is going to be added to your shopping cart and you can very safely check out. It's a standard Squarespace checkout, so no big deal there. If you have a discount code, here's where you can apply it. And when you do check out, if you don't have an account yet, you may be asked to verify your account. You're going to get an email like this one. And when you do, you're gonna have access to your document, to your order, and everything you need. So the document you're gonna get on your email or on your account page is this one. So machine learning on AWS for this workshop. And the most important thing here is the pre-work. So some ideas that you can do before you join to have a better experience in the actual day, and the Google Meet joining information. So all you need to do is connect 5 minutes before the time, so a bit before 7 p.m. to check your audio, check your video, and make sure we can start on time and respect everybody's schedule. The workshop is going to be recorded and shared with all the participants. Right, so all you need to do is add to your cart, check out, get the document, and see you there. I hope you like the idea. Connecting with your peers, with your instructor, building together is great. I love the experience, and see you there.